What is she doing? She is sifting the flour. What is she doing? She is kneading the dough. What about this? She is chopping the vegetables. What is she doing? She is adding tempering. What about this? She is baking chapati.